Greetings to everyone. I am Deepta Srinivasa Raghavan. I am a CA finalist student. I have cleared Group 2 exams in November 2020 and I'll be appearing for Group 1 exams in May 2021. So let me share with you about my CA journey. So most of my relatives were from CA background, so that's the reason I have taken up the CA course. So when I was doing my 11th standard, one of my relatives suggested me for taking up classes for CPT, and that's how I came to know about Sai CA Coaching Center. So I enrolled myself with the coaching center when I was in 11th standard itself. So at that time, I was attending his classes once in a week. So during the weekends, I used to attend. So and in 12th standard, I never got time to attend his classes. Maybe in the beginning, I did, but after that. Finally, when I completed my 12th standard board exams, I took his 2 months courses for the CPT. So let me tell you about his teaching strategy was all about focusing on the concept clarity alone. So he never used to solve any problems. So everything was made to do it all by ourselves. So this created some interest to solve all the problems. Of course, when we used to get stuck up in any stage, he was always there to help us out. I remember a chapter of in my CPT about the time value of money. So the time value of money. So I think, to my knowledge, it was taken around 4 times because I was not getting any idea about the chapter. And the part you need to appreciate is he taught us with the same kind of motivation which he had while teaching in the for the first time. So you can never feel hesitant of asking any kind of doubts with him. So he'll always be there to address whatever doubts you are, how silly it is, or how much ever time you are asking. He's always there to help us out. So with that coaching, I was able to clear my CPT in the very first attempt by scoring 116 marks. So after clearing CPT, I went back to my relatives to suggest me for the IPCC classes. So I was suggested to take classes from a private institute. So I shifted from Sai CA Coaching Center to another institute. So like it was almost 8 hours of classes every day. So the problem, initially I had no problem. So as the days went on, they started dumping so many things into our head, like for 8 long hours. And of course the subject is pretty much tough. So it was all new to me. So they started dumping all the portions all at once, and like they were unable to complete the syllabus well before the exams. So like maybe just a week before the exams, the syllabus was completed. So it paid like no return to me. So and unfortunately, in that attempt, I ducked. I couldn't clear. My score was like so low. Okay, so it was almost like around 241. 241, yes, it was around 241. This was my score of intermediate. Okay, so I felt devastated after knowing that. So it was a failure. I tasted the failure for the first time in my lifetime, and it was hard to digest. So the next moment I thought was about this Sai CA Coaching Center. So I called them. I told them about my marks. So the very day, on the same day of my result, I went to meet those people, and of course they were ready to help me out. So again, I took up classes for CA Intermediate from Sai CA Coaching Center. So this time, like, it was not of a 8 hours session at all. It was just a 2 hours session in the morning. So I used, since I didn't take up any college, so I had sufficient time to prepare. So I just took my group 1 exams after that. So from Sai C Coaching Center, I took my coaching. The method of teaching was, he used to explain only the concepts. Okay, he used to explain only the concepts, and after listening the concepts and after absorbing everything, he used to go back home, solve the sums, and on the very next day, if you have any doubts, he'll be there to guide us and help us out to solve the problem. So, by doing this, they cultivated the habit of getting the concept clarity rather than getting only the working knowledge. Okay, so this helped me a lot in saving my time in exams. So, the method, the way in which he teaches us, helps us to strategize how to solve the problem, how quickly you can solve the problem, and this, I'm telling you, you'll be able to complete the paper at least 15 to half an hour before the time gets over. That is, within 2.5 hours you can very well complete the papers. In most of the cases it happened with me, and I'm telling you. So in my second attempt, so I wrote only the first group in second attempt first. Then first group I wrote, so, and overwhelmingly I got 262. Okay, 262 I got. Now then I got 79 in accountancy. Okay, in my first attempt I got 32 in accounts, so it's almost like a double, more than a double. I got 79 in accounts and 68 in costing. Then I took my group 2 of intermediate in the next attempt I took, and I scored 174 with exemptions in auditing, and in the ITSM I just lost exemption by 1 mark, so I got 59. So friends, I'm telling you, the duration of the class doesn't matter. Please don't judge the coaching center just because they take class for 2 hours, because I think it is more than sufficient to get a concept clarity. Just go back home and work on yourself. You have to apply whatever you have gained from that class in solving the problems or in understanding the concept. If you have any difficulty, just go back the very next day and he'll be there to clarify you. And of course, let me tell you about the test sessions which he conducted for theory papers. He made us to study all by ourselves. So maybe every week he used to take a few tests, chapter wise tests, and at the end he make us to write one full test. So this his evaluations and everything made me to equip myself as to how I should present my paper. Listen friends, presentation is the most important thing in our exams, and I'm telling you, and this was, I wasn't aware of it in my first attempt. So guys, whenever you write any answer to theory questions, please prioritize your points. Okay, the most important ones in the first and the least ones at the last. So this is how you are supposed to write the theory paper, and this was taught by Sai CA Coaching Center, and I'm like almost always thankful for that, because I still follow the same strategy even in my CA final. So that's what I wanted to share with you all. Please don't judge just because they are taking 2 hours of class. Okay, so please go and enroll yourself to Sai CA Coaching Center, and one day you are going to be a proud student like me. Thank you so much, Sai CA Coaching Center, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.